shave Daddy's hair. I'm like nervous and excited because this is my first time. But yeah, I'm going to try it and let's see, it's going to be alright. But before that, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button. Bing, bing, bing!
Or else someone's gonna be hurt real bad.
Are you enjoying? Are you enjoying?
Yeah.
I am not enjoying.
Done.
Let me see. Wow.
Daddy, is this what you want?
Okay.
No one's gonna be hurt.
Are my ears still here? Oh, thanks goodness.
Thanks goodness. Thank goodness. It was hard and like I wanted to stop because my hand was vibrating and like it was tiresome too because I have to like tiptoe on because that is too tall and like I was tired. I wanted to stop.
What's the hard thing about shaving?
hard thing is to cut on top here in this part.
But were you afraid of something? Or
No,
not?
I was not afraid. But in this line part, I was like, oh, maybe I'm going to like go wrong in that part. I'm going slant, something like that.
How about Daddy? How's your experience, Daddy?
Oh, it's a very good experience.
What?
And now it's my turn. I told you someone's gonna be hurt real bad. This is my revenge. Let's start. Okay? You want the heart? You want the heart? Okay. Heart.
Turn it on, turn it on.
Watch out for our next vlog. I will be cutting Ati's hair with this clipper. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Ding, ding, ding. Kapoy in English.